Welcome to Off-Road Coffee mga kakakambika. Let's go! Ayan, sumuka natin ang Apple 10 Buffet Unlimited for 28 dirham. This is located at the back of Day-to-Day, under the metro station. Also, they're offering all kinds of street foods if you like. So let's start getting our food. There's foods, all kinds of Filipino food. They have inatang langka. Also, is chicken barbecue. This is all halal, guys. Okay, they have also calamaris, and then there's vegetable rice with plain rice, and then also they have papaitan soup. Also, this of course, di mawawala ang ating dessert. Meron this yung dessert and chips, and also meron din salam. Meron silang buwanan, kakanin, this kind of glutinous rice, and ube halaya. So this is what I got. Hindi na masama ang 28 dirham for this kind of food pa pamumalig kapag nakulangan ka sa taste test mo na tayo. So ito na ang pinakahihintay natin mga kakakandiga. Ayan, ang Tikiman Foodie. Ayan, sa muli sa mahaba pang buhok nilito. Ayan, kaya siya. And rate out of 10. Sabi niya, 8 lang daw sa kanya. So sa akin, start namin yung food. Okay naman ako, I'm satisfied. It's 9/10 for me kasi yung dessert number 1 for me pero hindi ko masyadong nagustuhan yung pagkakagawa ng dessert. And the food is all great and tastes good. Dessert lang talaga para sa akin kasi ako is number 1 is dessert ang lahat ko tuwing meron mang nakainan. So, ulit muna tayo mga kakakanjika, kain muna tayo kasi pagod at gutom na gutom from work. So, this time I think this is late night. This is 2 a.m. in the morning, afternoon duty ko.